14th. A positive number, let the positive number is A. It has a total of 4 factors. Number has 4 factors. Number has 4 factors. So it will be 1 into 4 or 2 into 2. Am I right? So it will be either A cube or A power 1 into B power 1. Or A power 1 into B power 1. Are you all with me? 0 to 1 to 0 to 2. A cube and A into B. It has a total of 4 factors. Yes, sum of the factors A power 0 plus A power 1 plus A square plus A cube. Excluding the number is A cube. It is 31. So it is 1 plus A square is 31. A plus A square is 30. A into 1 plus A is 30, which is 5 into 6. A is 5. A is 5. So one number is 5 cube. One number is 5 cube. A into B. What are the factors for this number? A power 0 into B power 0. A power 1, B power 1. Next is A power 1 into B power 1. Adding, excluding the number. Excluding the number. Excluding the number means 1A, B, A plus B. It is 31. So it is nothing but 1 plus A plus B. It is nothing but 31. A plus B is 30. A plus B is 30. Which are the cases? 30 is an even number. So it has to be an odd number. It has to be an odd number. 3 plus 27. A and B are prime numbers. A and B are prime numbers. A and B are prime numbers. 3 plus 27 not possible. 5 plus 25 not possible. 7 plus 23 possible. 7 into 23. 7 into 23. 11 into 19 possible. 11 into 19 possible. 13 into 17 also possible. So these another number, these another number, these are another number. What are the 4 numbers we got? One is 5 cube. 5 cube, 13 into 17, 11 into 19, 17 into 13. What is the number? 11 into 19 is 209. This is not there. 7 into 23 is 231. It is not there. 17 3s are 125 is there. So answer is 125. Idea is clear. So it has got a total of 4 factors. 4 factor means I can write it as 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. 1 into 4 will give you A cube. 2 into 2 will give you A into B. We have to exclude the number and do a sum. A power 0, A power 1, A square. A power 0 into 1 plus A plus B, AB is cancelled. Idea is clear? Idea is clear. What could be the number? 125. What could be the number? 125. What could be the number? 125. Now, next one. If A is the sum of the factors of 72, 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. A is the sum of the factors. Sum of the factors is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 plus 9. 15 into 13, which is 195. This is capital A. What is the product of the factors for A? Product of the factors. Product of the factors is given by the logic. Product of the factors for number is given by the logic. Number power number of factors by 2. 195. Factors is nothing but 3 into 5 into 13. 8 by 2. Answer is 195 power 4. 195 power 4. 195 power 4. I hope the logic is clear. Answer is 195 power 4. Answer is 195 power 4. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. A is nothing but the sum of the factors. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, 12, 14, 15, 13, 195. 3 into 5 into 13. 195 power 4. 195 power 4. Don't miss any classes in between, Anil or whoever it is. You will not be able to understand it clearly. This is the problem many of the students face. Right after the class, you cannot watch the video again. Session 1 you missed, session 2 you missed, session 3 you missed. Session 4, how will you understand everything clearly? Number has got 4 factors. Last class we discussed how to write the number as a power of prime bases. Anil beta for you. 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. 1 means power should be 0. 4 means power should be 3. This should be power 1. This should be power 1. So it is 1. So this is P2 power 3. P2 power 3, what are the factors? P2 power 0, P2 power 1, P2 power 2, P2 power 3. Sum is 31. This is 1. Exclude the number. P2 plus P2 square is 31. P2 into 1 plus P2 is, it is 30. 5 into 6. So P2 is 5. 5 cube will give you one number is 125. I hope it is clear, Anil. I hope it is clear right now, beta.